Here we have a 1972 Fiat 130 Coupe, built by Pininfarina. Stylish, elegant car of its era. This one in particular has been restored to Concours condition, 100% nut and bolt, all the underpinnings, everything has been done. Absolutely fabulous car. You cannot fault this car at all. It's probably the finest one in the world, to be honest. It runs and drives like it should. Probably nicer condition now than when it left the factory. Finished in this superb original colour, Fiat Imperial Blue. There just isn't a mark on this car. Everything has been redone, all the chrome work. An absolute fortune. I would say at least 30,000 euros were spent on this in the restoration. Interior has been retrimmed in peach Alcantara and cream leather. Show you inside. It is an absolute beautiful cabin, beautiful place to be in. It's won many awards and featured on the front page of Parliamo with a big write-up. Interior is stunning. This was done by a coach trimmer in Milan. It even has the Pininfarina mats. Lovely wood cappings to the doors and dash. 3-speed auto, a little bit low gear to be honest with you. Could do with a 4th gear. The headlining has all been done as well in that beautiful peach leather and the leather ribbed headlining. Engine was fully restored as well by a Ferrari mechanic in Milan, and it's now showing 493 kilometers. The engine is like brand new. It's glorious and pretty designed. It's a V6 3.2 litre, which is just to die for. There we go, under the bonnet, and just look at that glorious V6. Polished cam covers. Just everything has been done to perfection. Two-tone horns. If you know these cars, you would know what to look for. Just look at the wings, the inner wings, where they normally rot. This has all been done beautifully. Look at the wings here. I don't know whether you can see, normally they're all welded, etc. Not a mark on this. It's seamless. Absolutely seamless. All the lights have been restored. Tell by how nice the engine is. Even powder coated manifold covers. And looking right down, you can see how clean. Beautiful bit of red powder coating on the pulleys, The attention to detail is second to none, seriously. Come over on the other side. I mean, the finish of the paint, I mean, I have never known paintwork like this. It's a mirror. This car is number 455 that left the production line. So it's quite a young car. There's only about 4,000 built total. So it's very, very rare. Apparently there's only about 11 of these 130 coupes on the road, on the UK roads today. So it's a rare animal indeed. There we go. Just look at the condition of the wings, the inner wings, etc. Underneath the car is also like brand new, full nut and bolt restored. I'll just show you this side. You can appreciate the magnificence of the cabin. It's got a quick release for the seat. There we go. The back has been done and everything. Beautifully done. Here we go. Here we have a little cubby hole which lifts up. I'll show you inside the boot. That's my company, Lowborn Classic Vehicles. This is quite quirky, the way the number plate comes down. It's got a beautiful chrome 130 little logo there. That lifts in like so, and you get this most beautiful, enormous boot. The wheel always faces that way, that's how it was. It's got the original toolkit. It looks quite quirky. Fully retrimmed and beautifully done, as you can appreciate, and it's enormous in here. It goes right back underneath. It's all retrimmed. Definitely get a couple of bodies in there, you mafia people. Love that number plate feature. Got the blinds which go up and down, which look nice, look really cool. I always have them up, so I think it looks lovely. Last but not least, I think I'll fire the engine up to let you hear it. Always starts first time. Lovely rasps that you get on the V6, similar to a Ferrari Dino engine. Very, very nice indeed. No rattles, nothing. It's glorious. Gorgeous Pininfarina 130 Coupe, 1972. Underneath, well, I'll see if I can show you underneath. It's all coated.